Hello. A big change in the feel of the weather this weekend. It's been unseasonably mild, and that mild weather has brought quite a bit of rain during the day. On Friday, it brought half a month of rain to places like Sant and Downham, but already the changes were with us further north. And that's all courtesy of the wind direction.
It's all change, I think, isn't it, after a rather warm week for some at the start?
It is indeed, yes. We've had very warm weather, haven't we? Temperatures so far this autumn have been about 5 or 6 degrees Celsius above the average. It's going to be a bit of a shock to the system this weekend, the first proper autumn chill. It's also been pretty wet for many of us over the last couple of days. Yesterday, we had some localised flooding, all courtesy of this weather system here, right across Wales, through southwest England, the Midlands, eastern areas. That's drifted its way southward through the night, so things improving in terms of the rainfall. But behind that weather system, you can see here the blues. This is the Arctic air. We haven't seen much of this at all this autumn, but you can see as we go through today, it drifts all the way to the south. So it's quite a chilly start out there this morning. Temperatures across Scotland close to freezing in some parts, but even further south, certainly into single figures. So, yes, you will notice that chill through the course of today, feeling noticeably colder. It's going to be quite blustery for some of us as well today, but there will be some sunshine as well.
That looks all lovely, but amongst the lovely amber colours,
yes,
it's not necessarily warm.
Well, this is what we had yesterday. I just want to highlight yesterday because we had temperatures again getting above 20 degrees Celsius in the southeast of England. But it is this up here, which is the colder air, which is moving its way southward. So, yeah, after that warmth we've had over the last few days, it is going to change today. Good morning. Yes, that colder air is moving its way southward. It's quite chilly out there already. Temperatures in Cairngorm about -4 Celsius at the moment, but widely those temperatures getting into single figures at 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. But plenty of clear skies. Look at that. A beautiful morning there in the northeast of England with some blue skies, and there'll be some sunshine through the course of today as well. This is what we had yesterday, 21 degrees, the 13th day, actually, in October, where we had temperatures above 20 Celsius. Yeah, last weekend, you may have felt a bit guilty because 25 degrees, if you remember, last weekend with some sunshine. But, Naga, you're right as well. Despite the fact it's going to be colder, there's going to be sunshing this weekend.
Look at you mediating between us, eh?
I know.
That's the job.
I'm going to keep you both happy, haven't I?
Where is that? Where is that bit? Looks lovely, doesn't it?
I'm going to say Torquay.
Yeah, that's it. It has got that feel.
Yeah. Yes, anyway, good morning. Yeah, 21 degrees yesterday, as I mentioned, but it's all changed for this weekend. The first proper autumn chill is with us. This is the air mass picture. So this shows us where the air is coming from, and you can see this northwesterly wind bringing the colder air further south across the UK. So today, at best, we're looking at 14 Celsius in the south. So a very different feel to the weather compared to recent days and weeks. A beautiful start out there, some clear skies. Look at this in Leeds this morning. Just a bit of cloud there in the horizon. But with that clear weather, we're going to see some sunshine across many areas today.
I can see those temperatures. I mean, obviously, Scotland's had a lot of cold weather of late.
Yes.
And we've had the contrast with the south, haven't we? But now the whole of the UK is feeling the bite, shall we say?
We are all going to feel it, yes. This morning, we've had a frost again across Scotland, -4.5 degrees Celsius in the Grampians this morning. But even further south, 6 or 7 degrees Celsius. We haven't seen much of a frost so far this autumn. Temperatures have been running at about 5 or 6 degrees Celsius above the average. But as we go through this weekend, we're all going to feel the colder weather. Good morning. Yeah, frost will feature in the forecast over the coming days. As I said, we haven't seen much of that recently, but it is a sunny start today. We've had some clear skies overnight, and that was the scene just a bit earlier on this morning with those clear skies and sunshine. Good morning. Yeah, it's been really quite warm so far this autumn. Yesterday, we got to 21.6 degrees, actually, in Hereford and Bryce Norton, but it's all changed today and through the weekend. Yes, good morning. More like 14 degrees Celsius as the maximum temperature today across southern areas. You really will notice that difference if you're out and about. But there will be plenty of sunshine. It's been a lovely start to the day already. That's the scene this morning in Kent with some clear blue skies. But the further west you are, we've had a few showers around this morning, and that's given us some lovely rainbows already this morning. That was in Devon just a bit earlier on today. So you might see a few more rainbows today across northern and western areas of the UK. That's where we'll see most of the showers coming in.
This looks lovely.
Yeah, lovely start to the day. Look at that in Scarborough this morning. Lots of sunshine out there. But you'll notice today it will feel much colder compared to recent days. Temperatures have been above 20 degrees Celsius.
South, certainly, because it's been quite cold up in Scotland, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has been, yes. It's the south that you'll notice the real change, real shock, really, I imagine, for some of us. Yes, good morning. We do start off this morning with plenty of blue skies for many, but there are some showers. This is the recent rainfall radar image. You can see those showers coming in across Scotland, through Northern Ireland, in across Wales, the southwest of England as well. But with some sunshine and those showers, well, that combination, of course, brings us some rainbows. And look at this lovely picture from Llangollen in North Wales. Just about to see a double rainbow there as those showers pass their way through.
Now, look, half the country's been cold for the last couple of weeks. Yep. Half has enjoyed a little bit of a late summer, it feels, an Indian summer. Yeah. All change?
It is for those in the south, absolutely, yeah. You'll really notice the difference. Over the last few days, temperatures have been above 20 degrees Celsius. Today, you really will notice that drop in temperature. But there's plenty of sunshine around this weekend, though. So it's not all bad news, is it?
Yeah.
And actually, some of you may want to feel a bit more like autumn because you might have those knitwears in the wardrobe that you haven't got out yet. So, yeah, good opportunity to get these extra layers out over the next few days. Lots of sunshine this morning. That's the scene in the Scottish borders as we speak. That's the rainfall radar image. And, of course, where you get some sunshine and some showers, you also get some rainbows. So that was the scene just a bit earlier on in Cornwall. Now, that's only part of the story because, of course, we've been talking about it getting colder. Why is that? Well, we've had mild air from the south over recent days, but you can see these oranges gradually move away as it gets replaced by this northwesterly wind and the colder Arctic air starts to move its way southward. As we go further in the week, Tuesday, plenty of sunshine again. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that's when we start to see a bit more unsettled conditions. There'll be some showers or longer spells of rain. Temperatures probably coming up a little bit, 13 to 16 degrees Celsius, and that is probably around about the average for the time of year.